Now I want you to pay attention to this video. This is the intersection of Central and Indian School in Phoenix, and this is how drivers react a lot of times. This driver has a green light to turn left. However, when the light turns red, watch what happens. You see, the driver, instead of going, so he's already passed the limit line, he sits there for about 10 seconds. Even the train blows his horn before he finally goes. Now, that is common here. Another issue is what's about to happen next. A few seconds later, at the same intersection, I'm waiting for my turn. I get the green light, but not before a pedestrian runs out in front of the car. Now, here's something interesting to look at because two things happen. So, the car here making a turn was about to run the red light, but let's go back for a second. See the jogger? Now watch what happens. I'll stop the video. He looks for cars coming the other way and not for the car in front of him. That would be me. Welcome to Phoenix.